Hi, I'm Bob. Welcome to the Stata course that helps you understand Stata commands for summary statistics and regression analysis. Today, we will explore the egen command. The egen command creates new variables from existing variables using functions. It is more powerful than the generate command, making some complicated coding much easier. Since the egen command is used with functions, we type help egen to find a list of functions. Let me show you some commonly used examples. Suppose we want to create a new constant variable, the mean of age in the sample. We use the mean function in this case. We type egen followed by the new variable's name, say avrage equals mean, and then put the variable age inside the parenthesis. When we browse the data, we find a new variable containing a constant equal to the sample mean of age. If we want to create a new variable equal to the standard deviation of age, we use egen's sd function. We type egen followed by the new variable's name, for example, sdage equals sd, and put the variable age inside the parenthesis. We have a new variable with the standard deviation of age as its value for all observations. We can confirm the mean and the standard deviation are correct by summarizing the age variable. Next, let me show you the rowmean, rowmax, and rowmin functions. We will use a new dataset by typing use and the website of the dataset. This dataset comes from Introductory Econometrics, a modern approach by Professor Jeffrey Woodridge. We have the father's years of schooling and the mother's years of schooling in the dataset. We want to generate a new variable, parents' education, that indicates the parents' education level. We can find the average of father's education and mother's education by using the rowmean function. We type egen, parents' education, equals the function rowmean, and a list of variables, father's education and mother's education in this case. Now, let's browse the data. The new variable, parents' education, is the mean over the mother's and the father's years of schooling. If the father has 16 years of schooling and the mother has 14 years of schooling, the parent's average schooling is 15 years. If we want to use the higher education of either parent to represent the parent's education level, we can use the rowmax function. If the father has 16 years of schooling and the mother has 14 years, the parent's education level is 16 years. On the other hand, if we believe that we should use the lower education between parents as the parent's education level, we employ the rowmean function. Now we see that if the father has 16 years of schooling and the mother has 14 years, the parent's education level is 14 years. Finally, Let me show you how to create quartiles, quintiles, and deciles using the cut function. A quartile is a type of quantile that divides the number of data points into 4 parts, or quarters, of equal size. The quantile is called a quintile when the data is divided into 5 equal parts, and a decile if it is divided into 10 parts. Suppose we want to create the quartiles for hourly wage. That is, we create 4 categories in order with equal frequencies. We use the cost dataset again. We type egen, the new variable's name, equals cut, and put the hourly wage variable in the parentheses. Then we use the group option. We let Stata to cut the observations into 4 groups. Let's execute it and tabulate the new variable. We now have approximately 4 equally spaced categories. The lowest quarter of ages is coded to 0. The second lowest 25% of wages is coded to 1. The highest 25% of wages is coded to 3. The egen command can be used with the by sort prefix. It operates within each group defined by the by sort prefix. Suppose we want to create the average hourly wage for male and female workers. We type by sort female, colon, egen average hourly wage equals mean hourly wage. We find that the new variable, the average hourly wage, has 2 values. The average hourly wage for male workers, $23.67, and that for female workers, $20.70. Today, we have learned how to use the egen command to create new variables that relate to existing variables. The egen command is used with different functions such as mean, sd, rowmean, rowmin, rowmax, and cut functions. We can also use it with the by sort prefix for group operations. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you tomorrow on the next topic. Goodbye. Thank you for watching this video and subscribing to my YouTube channel. See you next time.